Hey guys, welcome back. So yeah, so having a new toy, like you seen in the last video, AT4X. Well, side steps came in, so just gonna see what you guys can expect to see. If you order side steps, what come with it, and this is gonna be just a quick video because I've been waiting for these. I couldn't wait to see them. So this is what we're gonna get. All right. Important warning. Instructions for installation are part available through GMC service SI with the accessory manual selected specification of the vehicle which is purchased the accessory. For custom installation, please request service and instruction sheets from your local dealer. Note, some accessories may require vehicle programmation. I don't think these side steps need any vehicle programmation. So, enclosed is hardware. So, galvanized, yeah, all galvanized. So we got a bunch of screws. What else do we have here? Not much. Okay, so the side steps do come pre-assembled. I thought maybe these would come that you hook them all up underneath the truck first, the pickup truck, and then install. So this might be a quick installation. So there are two sitting one on top of the other. Try not to bang them. And yeah, check this out. Same texture as in the box. These are the high clearance one. They're supposed to be pretty nice. That's what I picked. I didn't want the plastic ones that are just low. So these are nice and grippy. Oh yeah. So that's gonna make it really nice and different. And as you can see, it's just like a snowmobile side step. Bunch of holes. Like everything drains down. So if you want to wash them after real quick, so everything's gonna pour out of them. So I'll just take a quick click there to show you guys. Unwrap them. Get my boy to pull it off. There we go. So 3 places, so 6 bolts on this side. And yeah, I don't know which one's right side, left side. I assume that the narrow, so that should be for the other side, and then the bigger part for the back. So anyways, this is what they look like. And yeah, solid steel. Underneath is empty, as you can see, but it's all stamped steel. Everything, but I love the big thick powder coat, not powder coating, but bed liner, same as the spray-in as the bed liner. So these are gonna be stone resistant, chip resistant. So if you're looking for a set to put on, these are the high clearance one. I know they make the ones that are like a rock guard, but believe me, your wife's not gonna love it and your girlfriend's not gonna like it or whatever to try to get in, because even me getting in, like, you know, I gotta do this if I don't wanna scrape the whole side. Like I got the 3M tapes put on to avoid that. But anyways, so I gotta grab on it, pull myself in. And if you got a girlfriend or a wife that's 5'3", buy the side steps. But if you wanna keep the clearance, well, get the high clearance ones. I found that they were the ones that looked the most rugged and tough. So, and especially that my bumper in the front is not a painted bumper. I thought maybe it would blend more. So, well, thanks for watching. You know, like I just wanted to show you what the first thing that we're gonna be putting on is. So stay tuned to the next video. Appreciate you guys, and subscribe if you haven't. If you like this content of my unit, my pickup truck, or whatever, that it's all new. I like it because the 4 matches, like when you look at the side of the X3 with the red, with the R and all that kind of stuff, and the X on the X3 in the front in red, and then this one here is like X3. I don't know, it's just like I like it blending. Everything's got X's everywhere and everything's got red accent. Same thing with the seats and the side-by-side and all that, and the hook in the front and everything. So, and the 6.2 liter, I don't know. It just like really blends and I like it. Everything matches. So we'll catch you on the next one. You guys be safe and we'll catch you later. Ciao for now.